Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, or more precisely the toggle ones, from the right top side of the screen, like this. And once you see all the toggles in here, you'll obviously see screen recording. Now this is the default location, I believe, of the toggle. The device was just reset, so it's right here. So hopefully you can find yours in the same exact location. Once you do, simply tap on it. It will give you a couple options like record device sound, record a microphone, and also record touch inputs. Touch inputs will be recorded as a semi-transparent gray dot on a screen wherever you pressed your finger to the screen. I'll enable it just so you can see how that looks like on a recording. Anyway, let's then select start. It will start a countdown and then record. Now obviously whatever app you will open right now will be recorded. There we go, look at that. Okay, anyway, we can now stop it. Once you stop it, it automatically saves it to the gallery application, or photos, however it's called in here. Oops. Photos, there we go. And you can see it right over here. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.